Hey folks, welcome back to Vidhya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I'm going to share Zucchini Dal as a part of the recipes with frozen lentils or dal series. You can call this as kootu or dal. You can actually serve this as a side dish more like kootu, or you can serve this as a main dish, like dal. You can serve it with jeera rice or plain rice, however you prefer. So now let's get started with the recipe. The instant pot is in the saute mode. Now I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. So for this kootu you can use 2 teaspoons of oil also, it's just a personal preference. And now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of punch foreign spice mix. We like this a lot, so I am just going with that. You can add regular mustard seeds and cumin seeds combination also. And now I am going to add some spices, red chili, 1 red chili that I broke into 2, and 2 green chilies that I slit into half, and 3 garlic cloves that I chopped roughly. I'm not adding any hing or asafoetida today. You can add a pinch of hing and just saute this for about a minute. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped onion. So just gently mix. Also, I'm going to add some ginger now, thinly sliced ginger. Actually, it's approximately 5 grams of ginger. And now let's add the salt as well. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of salt. You can adjust it according to your taste. And now saute this onion mix for about 2 minutes. So now I am going to add the zucchini. Here I have 6 cups of chopped zucchini. Actually, this is my homegrown zucchini. It's from my backyard. It's one huge zucchini that weighed approximately 650 grams, and when chopped I got about 6 cups. If you are using the store-bought ones, I think 3 or 4 depending upon the size of the zucchini would be sufficient for this measure. Now gently mix it and turn off the instant pot. So now I'm going to add the dal. Here is my frozen Moong Dal. It's cooked and frozen Moong Dal. I'm using 1 cup of cooked Moong Dal here. I just popped it out of my silicone container and I'm placing it on top of zucchini. I did not thaw it or bring it to room temperature. I will share how I cook and freeze my lentils, the video link in the description box. Do check it out. And now let's add a half cup of water. That's more than sufficient for this dal. Zucchini oozes out a lot of water. And now, as always, some cilantro, a handful of chopped cilantro. Now close the instant pot and pressure cook this for 4 minutes at high pressure, and I'm going to naturally release the pressure. Make sure the vent is in the sealing position, and I'm just going to pressure cook it for 4 minutes and release the pressure naturally. I'll see you in a bit. The cooking is complete and here it is. Sorry about the steam. Now gently mix the kootu. As I wanted a mushy consistency, I went with 4 minutes of cooking time, but you can reduce the cooking time to 2 minutes also. But if you want a bite of the zucchini, I would recommend cook for 2 minutes and release the pressure naturally, or cook for 4 minutes but release the pressure quickly actually. So you can just play with the timings. And now I'm going to add some 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and let me get my lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and gently mix. I'm not simmering the dal again, just adding the garam masala and lemon juice just on top and mixing it. And that's it. The zucchini dal is ready. You can relish it with rice, roti, or serve as is. So friends, I hope you all like this recipe. Do give it a try. And if you have any questions about freezing the lentils or how to use it, do let me know in the comments. And I have few other recipes coming up, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Thank you.